Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Ay labi na sa akong pamilya nga silang Uncle Ben, si Randy, o yung asawa nga si Nikki, o ang igsuon nga si Sandra, o ang akong mga silingan o mga kaparyentehan na nagpaminaw karon o anaa karon sa last vigil ni Auntie Perla. I have something to say. It's an honor that I was asked to do this. It's also a Christmas Eve here. Aside from that busy schedule, so I gotta do this quick. Anyhow, I have to say, I was asked that I have to say something, a eulogy. Okay. Auntie Perla was born on March 30, 1946. And she died on December 20th, 2025. But I know there's a dash there on those dates. And on those dash, she has made so much of her life. And I'm one of the person that she has made a difference. Auntie Perla has always been very nice, kind, loving, and generous soul. She's always been very sweet. Gikan pa sa akong pagkabata hangtod na before I went to the States. I would remember she was the one who taught me how my first 3 R's, my reading, writing, and arithmetics. In fact, she was my grade 1 teacher. I was her pupil. And at the Panaon Central School. And naimo pa yung kong first honors iyang class. I didn't know why pagdapig-dapig, but I guess I just excelled among the rest of her students. I don't forget those days that we take a tricycle ride, or sometimes we took a ride with Mr. Iting's jeep, since some of the neighbors are going to Panaon, including my mom. Fast forward, pagka high school na po nako, Auntie Perla has done so much things with me. Labi na sa paghimon nako sa mga high school productions on those years. She's been very generous of her time. Ingon ko niya, Ante, pwede ko mag-tape sa inyong stereo, because she has a really nice stereo that Uncle Ben bought from overseas. And there you go. She's very accommodating. Sige lang bong, ato tas balay. Oh, dinhi. And you know, it takes time to do all those things. Editing and all that. Like an hour or so. And Randy was still small at the time. And she was very generous of her time. Kung wala pa si Ante, dili ko makahimo og mga nindot nga high school production, mga sayaw-sayaw, mga fashion show that I had to record from the plaka to the tapes. And when she asked me also that, Randy turns 1 year old, and maghimo tag party bong, okay, sige Ante, ako maghimo sa kuan, merry-go-round sa iyang birthday cake as my tribute also, and as a payback for she's being so nice. And Uncle Ben, who's always been very nice to us every time. So wala pa siya naminyo kang Auntie Perla, naana siya sa among balay kanunay every fiesta or December, whenever he is in between jobs, between assignments. So they're very close to me, and mara na akong kasulti nga si Auntie Perla has always been very nice and generous of her time. So even when I was also in college, and on my graduation too. I remember she gave me a graduation gift on high school. And then after college, I was already working in Cebu back then. And it's the time that Randy has to go to the Don Bosco High School Technical Institute. And then she asked me, Bongbong, kanang si Randy, kaya mo eskwela sa Don Bosco. Sige, ante, nindot ng eskwelahan kay na ako yung mga classmates sa Veles nga taga Don Bosco. And they're very smart, they're very, savvy, and they're very intelligent kids. What they learn from the Technical Institute with the Don Bosco brothers. And she told me if I could be Randy's guardian. Without hesitation, I said, yes, of course. Pilaram unsa raman na siya, if ever he needs anything or in trouble with anything, he needs just to call me or whoever kinang gipuyan sa asa to the silang di sa napuyo Talisay or Milanilla. Anyhow, so just call me and I could be, another, person that they can contact. And Randy came to Cebu, and I even invited him to come to my shop and told him everything, that I'm very much willing to be his guardian because of the goodness of Auntie Perla and Uncle Ben, and they're also family to me, to us. So as I was saying earlier, Auntie Perla has been very kind, loving soul, and generous person. She's always been very sweet, even when I was a little boy. December, di ko kalimot, 1971 or 72, I think. Since I was her pupil, she taught me how to dance and with the Mamacita and the grade school program at the Panalan Central School. She had her radiophono with her. And I always go to their old house before, Buyong, Yasuling, and everyone else. And it's just so sad, but I'm just glad that she's no longer suffering and she's at home with our Creator. That's all I can say. And I'm not gonna bid goodbye, but so long, farewell, Auntie. Uncle Ben, Randy, Sandra, and Randy's wife, Nikki, and all the relatives, I offer all to you my most heartfelt condolences. And I hope you all find peace, love in the presence of your friends and other relatives too, and that during this passing of Auntie Perla. Have a great evening, everyone, and may you have a bountiful new year.